Hi, my name is BHANUSATIsh. I have completed my post-graduation in 2020 with a pass percentage of 65%, and the company which I got placed is the 24/7.ai with a package of 3.7 LPA. And coming to the QSpiders Hebbal team, here they will not only teach the classes, they will go with the practical knowledge too, and they provide the presentation classes here. And next, coming to the best point is that they will give the grooming sessions well before going to the interviews. And the next team is the HR team, where they will support to the end until we got placed. We have full support from there, and I will refer all my friends here to join the QSpiders for the better placements. And I'm thankful to entire team to the QSpiders Hebbal.